everyone, I'm Becca Leese, the Solar Marketing Lead. And as you just saw, the solar team has hit their goal of having a rolling chassis by the new year. It's taken many late nights of welding and CAD work over the past few months. However, build and design haven't been the only teams hard at work. To maximize the efficiency of our car, we've decided to build our own solar panels. It's been a project in itself, but the electrical team has taken it in stride. Our solar array will be made up of 466 individual cells, which I'm happy to announce you'll be able to adopt one or more of. Now I'm sure you're wondering, what does it mean to adopt a cell? Well, you'll be able to create a graphic, a 5x5 graphic of whatever you like. Maybe a shout out to one of our members, a company logo, or even just one of our stock graphics. You may even decide to purchase a larger block of cells to display an image. The compilation of all these cells will form the layout of our solar panels on our car. This graphic will be displayed across all avenues of our social media, our website, or even on a banner as we race across the country. You can find the link for the online store or download the PDF to submit and pay by mail in the Adopt a Solar Cell tab on our website. Thank you guys again, and I can't wait to see you in the January update.